Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. Want to delete a standalone form you no longer need? Unlike regular Wix forms, standalone forms are not embedded onto your site. They're just simply their own link, so there's no need to remove it from there. But in order to delete it completely, you can follow these steps. On your site's dashboard, go to Customers and Leads, and then select Forms and Submissions. Here, look for the standalone form that you want to delete, and then click on the three-dot button that corresponds to it. From here, select Delete. A pop-up warning will appear. You can restore this form and any submissions from deleted forms for up to 180 days. Once you're sure, click on Delete to confirm. And if in case you'd like to restore it, you can go to the filter dropdown over here, go to deleted forms, look for the deleted form that you want to restore, and then click on restore. So basically that's it. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.